So this question definitely looks like it's going to be a translate word problem question, TWP. So I know that just given the length of the question. So anytime you have a long question like this, I suggest not reading it all the way through in one try, but instead taking it one sentence at a time and writing down any quantitative information or any notes that you can so that you can recreate the question in short form, right? So you don't have to go back and reread the entire question at any time. So let's get started. So the first sentence here says a total of 364 paper straws of equal length were used to construct two types of polygons, triangles and rectangles. So I have 364 straws, and those straws are being used to make triangles and rectangles. And I guess I could have just drawn the shapes, which would have been faster than spelling it out. All right, next sentence. The triangles and rectangles were constructed so that no two polygons had a common side. Okay. No two polygons had a common side. The equation 3x plus 4y equals 364 represents this situation, where x is the number of triangles. Okay, so we're multiplying 3 times our number of triangles constructed, and y is the number of rectangles, so we're multiplying 4 times the number of rectangles constructed. What is the best interpretation of xy equaling 2473 in this context? Well, 24 is an x value, and 73 is a y value. We just read that x values are the triangles. So that means we should have 24 triangles, right, and 73 rectangles. And that all together, well, let's see, number of triangles. So I'm still not sure what the 3 and the 4 represent, but somehow those numbers go together and we get to our 364. Oh, I see, that's right, because 3 straws, there we go. So it requires 3 straws to create a triangle. That's why we have 3 times x. So 24 triangles, but 24 times 3 straws to make those triangles. It requires 4 straws to make a rectangle. So we have 73 rectangles, but of course it would take 4 times 73 if we wanted to know the number of straws it took to make those rectangles. And then our 364 has to do with our total number of straws. All right, but we just care about the 24 and the 73. So choice A here says if 24 triangles were constructed, then 73 rectangles were constructed. I mean, that seems to be very straightforward, and it seems to be definitely our answer. Let's check the other ones just to make sure. Choice B, if 24 triangles were constructed, then 73 paper straws. No. So 73 has to do with rectangles, not paper straws, so B is gone. Choice C, if 73 triangles were constructed, then 24 rectangles. Nope, that's confusing it. That's mixing those numbers up, reversing those numbers, so that's not correct. And choice D, if 73 triangles were constructed, nope, 73 is for rectangles, not triangles, so D is automatically gone. So our answer here is choice A.